I'm wrapped up because as I record this, it is -3 here in London and it is freezing. And I thought, you know what, I'm not going to wear my scout shirt. I'm going to layer up, armed with, of course, a brew to keep me warm and some songs. I saw a bird with a yellow bill. It landed on my windowsill. Yes, we are talking campfire songs. I've just come back from one recently and I'm in that campfire mood where I just want to sing rather badly, as you can tell. So what am I talking about today? Well, I'm talking about campfire songs, but in 2022. Are these songs here listed, are they relevant? Because the reason I'm talking about this, we're at the campfire and lots of young people were just looking around all in a blaze and a daze, not knowing the words to the songs that the scout leaders were trying to provide. Yes, we gave them lyrics, but they didn't know the beat, the rhythm, nothing. And it got me thinking, does Scouts Campfire need to get more with the modern times and introduce some songs like this? What about, there once was a ship that put to sea, that the name of the ship was the Billy O.T. All right, you don't want to hear me singing. But what I'm trying to say is we've got some really cool songs that have been trending on TikTok over lockdown and they're still going well now, and TikTok's playing a lot of songs and we see our young people sing along. And remember when you were young, maybe when you were in Scouts clubs, you had that particular favorite song, and I've got those favorite songs that I think this would make a campfire song. So it just got me thinking, could I replace these top 10 with these relevant songs right now? We're going on a bear hunt, a bear hunt. Yeah, that's brilliant, love that one. Popsicle, popsicle, bananas, reunite. Oh, you never get to heaven in a baked bean tin. 'Cause a baked bean tin, the ants go marching 2 by 2, hurrah, hurrah. Quartermaster Store, one of my favourite campfire songs, and everyone sings different versions of that one. Singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. Comes out, oochie-cha-cha, oochie-cha-cha, oochie-cha-cha. Went the little green frog one day. Went the little green frog. I saw a bird with a yellow bill. It landed on my windowsill. And the one I always love to finish a campfire song is Kumbaya. Love that. Really traditional. Takes me back to my school days, and it's a very traditional campfire song for scouting. After that singing, I need a slurp of tea. But with scouting being a movement and moving forward, should we be replacing those old songs for songs like this? Well, man, that good old sea shanty, that'd be amazing around the campfire, wouldn't it? Dance Monkey, Tone and I, that was massive in lockdown, and we had all those dance crazes. Imagine the young people and scout leaders all around the campfire, all doing that Dance Monkey song. Now, I remember in lockdown, this was a massive craze, and you know me, I have no dance moving, I can't sing at all, but we were doing it in the house. What about Blinding Lights, The Weekend? That ran the campfire. Love it. What about some new songs like Nicky Your Sunroof? That's got a really cool beat. Harry Styles, As It Was, being covered and covered and covered. As it was. All right, you don't want me singing. But that ran the campfire would just be really cool. And something that's come back really popular, it was massive in the 70s. And I love this man, Billy Ocean. But a new song that's been trending a lot on TikTok. Red light spells danger. All right, don't get me singing. But that ran the campfire, just think about those songs, you know. Lots of young people know it. And if we get those people up, having a bit of movement around the campfire, singing, dancing, I think it'd be quite cool. And it will be a different spin to doing a traditional campfire. Maybe we could intertwine those old classic campfire songs with some new songs. I don't know. It's just got me thinking when I was at this campfire just the other day, maybe we need to bring it forward and upbeat it. Is that a word? Don't know. Like, I'm not saying we should stop all those old traditional songs around the campfire, but maybe we should just move Scout forward, and instead of always doing old songs, maybe we could do some new stuff and put a bit of a spin-off to the campfire sing-along. I don't know. What's your thoughts? Comment below. What is your favorite campfire song? And what would be your new campfire song that's maybe trending in the charts right now? Or an old classic like My Billy Ocean? Food for thought here on Big Man and Woods. Right, Scout leaders, check out this playlist here. It's some more advice on being a best Scout leader that you could possibly be. Have a good one.